Hey guys, back again. I wanted to teach you how to turn on mining for your testnet wallet so that you can mine just from your regular CPU. To do that, you open up the wallet. The next step is to go ahead and click Help and then click Debug Window. The helps might be on a different location depending on which OS you are running on, Windows or Linux, but it should be there. So Help, Debug Window, and then click Console. Once you're in the console, if you are running into any issues, you can type help and it will give you all the different console commands you can run. We will be running the command, let me find it. Set generate. So set generate, pretty much saying, hey, let's start mining. So we're going to type set generate here, and then we're going to say true, like this. And then you can click enter, and as you can see now, 104 is happening. That means that we have started mining on one thread. If you wanted to start mining on 4 threads, you would have to do set generate true 4. And now we're currently mining on 4 different threads. That's it. It's pretty simple. If you do this, you will start mining blocks at some point. There are a decent chunk of people on testnet right now, so it might take some time, but just be patient, and you'll see new blocks coming in with your 5,000 Raven, and it will increase your available testnet balance. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.